Dell AI Factory, a comprehensive breakdown. Introduction. Artificial intelligence (AI) has become the driving force of modern business transformation. Every enterprise, from healthcare to finance, wants to integrate AI into operations. Yet, deploying AI at scale has traditionally been complex, requiring massive computing resources, data management, security, and specialized expertise. Recognizing these challenges, Dell Technologies introduced the Dell AI Factory, a ready-to-use, end-to-end infrastructure ecosystem designed to accelerate AI adoption. In Dell's words, it's a new kind of factory that produces intelligence instead of building fragmented AI systems piece by piece. Organizations can now leverage Dell's unified hardware, software, and services platform to quickly design, deploy, and scale AI. What is the Dell AI Factory? The Dell AI Factory is an AI infrastructure framework that combines high-performance computing, hardware servers, GPUs, networking, storage, AI-optimized software stacks in partnership with NVIDIA, Hugging Face, Meta, Microsoft, and others. Professional services and lifecycle management to help enterprises implement AI use cases faster. It acts as a PI-engineered, modular AI ecosystem that can be deployed on-premises, in data centers, or at the edge, offering flexibility while ensuring security and performance. With over 3,000 customers already adopting AI factories worldwide as of 2025, Dell positions itself as one of the most trusted players in enterprise AI infrastructure. Core components of the Dell AI Factory. 1. Hardware infrastructure. The foundation of any AI system is compute power, and Dell builds its AI factory around robust, high-density infrastructure. Dell PowerEdge XE9680 servers, equipped with up to 8 NVIDIA GPUs H100 next-gen Blackwell, 33% more GPU density compared to earlier systems. Multiple PCIe Gen 5 slots for faster connectivity, available in both air-cooled and liquid-cooled versions. Liquid cooling is rapidly becoming essential for high-power AI workloads. AI-optimized storage, PowerScale F910 F710 for fast all-flash throughput, PowerMax and Elastic Cloud Storage ECS for scalable and flexible data handling, designed to handle massive datasets needed for training and inferencing large language models LLMs. Networking, high bandwidth, low latency networking, using NVIDIA Spectrum X and Broadcom Tomahawk 5 switches. Dell's Smart Fabric services ensure streamlined connectivity across nodes. This combination ensures data can move seamlessly while GPUs operate at peak performance, critical for both model training and large-scale inferencing. 2. Software and AI ecosystem. Hardware is only part of the puzzle. Dell AI Factory integrates a full software stack. NVIDIA AI Enterprise Suite includes frameworks, libraries, and tools optimized for generative AI, LLMs, and deep learning. NVIDIA NAM inference microservices allow developers to run AI inference efficiently with PIE-built, containerized services. Native Edge orchestration simplifies edge AI deployment, managing distributed workloads across locations. Project Lightning, Dell's parallel file system software designed for high-speed data access in AI workflows, partnerships, and model support. Dell AI Factory supports multiple ecosystems. Meta Llama 3 models for generative AI, Hugging Face libraries for model development. Microsoft Azure integrations for hybrid AI setups. This open ecosystem approach ensures that businesses can run whichever models or frameworks they prefer without being locked into one vendor. 3. Professional services and lifecycle support. AI deployment isn't just about infrastructure, it's about strategy, scaling, and ongoing optimization. Dell offers AI strategy and consulting, identifying business use cases, chatbots, fraud detection, digital twins, RAG pipelines, etc. Workshops and blueprints, PIE tested deployment models for faster adoption, end-to-end support, from setup to scaling, with managed service options. Apex as a service, Dell subscription-based model, allowing enterprises to pay for AI infrastructure as they use it, reducing upfront costs. This service-driven approach lowers barriers for companies without large AI engineering teams. Why Dell AI Factory matters. 1. Speed of deployment. Traditional AI setups take months to build and integrate. With Dell AI Factory, enterprises can get to AI workloads running within hours or days, thanks to PI-validated modular stacks. 2. Security and data control. On-premises AI ensures sensitive data never leaves enterprise boundaries, ideal for regulated industries like banking, government, and healthcare. 3. Scalability. Modular design lets organizations start small, single rack, and expand to full AI clusters. Liquid-cooled systems allow higher density, with reduced energy consumption up to 60% cooling savings. 4. Cost efficiency. Dell claims AI inferencing on its AI Factory can be 60% cheaper than public cloud alternatives. Long-term workloads, for example, constant inferencing, are particularly cost-efficient when run on-prem. 5. Holistic ecosystem. Hardware plus software plus services plus financing equals a complete AI adoption framework. Reduces reliance on third-party integrators. Real-world use cases. The Dell AI Factory is already being applied across industries. 1. Banking and finance. AI-driven fraud detection and real-time risk management. Algorithmic trading acceleration with GPU compute. 2. Telecommunications. Network optimization using AI models. Predictive maintenance at the edge. 3. Customer support. Generative AI chatbots and digital assistants. Retrieval augmented generation RAG pipelines for better knowledge-based search. 4. Manufacturing and digital twins. AI-powered simulations for supply chain optimization. Predictive analytics to reduce downtime. 5. Healthcare. Medical image recognition and diagnostic assistance. Data-secure AI for patient record analysis. Market impact and adoption. Over 3,000 customers have adopted Dell AI Factories as of 2025. Dell reported 34% revenue growth in its Infrastructure Solutions Group in 2024, fueled by AI. Many enterprises report 20–40% productivity gains from AI Factory deployments. The global momentum shows Dell AI Factory is not just a product, it's becoming a core enterprise AI standard. The future of Dell AI Factory. Looking ahead, Dell is expected to expand liquid cooling for energy efficiency, build tighter integrations with LLM providers, enhance AI Factory at the edge, enabling 5 grams IoT and remote applications, broaden subscription services Apex to make AI adoption accessible even to mid-sized businesses. Ultimately, The Dell AI Factory is designed to become the backbone of enterprise AI infrastructure, similar to how traditional factories powered the Industrial Revolution. Conclusion: the Dell AI Factory is not just a product line, it's a strategic AI ecosystem. By combining cutting-edge GPU servers, AI-ready storage, low-latency networking, advanced software stacks, and professional services, Dell has positioned itself as a one-stop solution for enterprise AI adoption. IT tackles the three major enterprise AI barriers: complexity, cost, and control. Companies can now deploy AI workloads faster, at lower cost, and with complete data security. As businesses increasingly demand AI capabilities, the Dell AI Factory stands out as a scalable, secure, and cost-efficient path to intelligence production. In the coming years, it's poised to become the engine room of enterprise AI, shaping the way organizations worldwide harness the power of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching.